everything you think you know about luxury vehicles. What you are looking at is not just another premium family hauler dressed in leather and chrome. This is a private jet designed for the asphalt. The Mercedes-Maybach S680 SUV is an absolute market disruptor, an uncompromised behemoth that bends the laws of physics and redefines automotive opulence. For decades, the ultra-luxury SUV market has been a two-horse race, dominated by British royalty that demanded you compromise on modern technology in exchange for old-world charm. But Stuttgart has finally had enough. They have taken their most legendary powertrain, wrapped it in an impeccably tailored suit, and unleashed a titan that is making the establishment sweat. But is this engineering marvel actually worth its eye-watering price tag? Or is it just an overpriced SUV in a tuxedo? Because later in this video, I am going to reveal a critical flaw in this Maybach's armor that the dealership absolutely does not want you to know about. To understand the Maybach S680 SUV, you have to understand exactly why it exists and who it is built for. This is not a vehicle for the quiet millionaire next door. This is an unapologetic declaration of arrival. It exists for the fraction of a percent who demand the absolute pinnacle of German engineering and refuse to settle for standard offerings. By wearing the S680 badge, this SUV signals the return of the legendary handcrafted V12 engine to the ultimate utility platform. It fits into the current automotive landscape as the great equalizer, bridging the gap between cutting-edge digital innovation and bespoke, handcrafted luxury. In an era where every automaker is downsizing engines and pushing electrification, the S680 SUV is a glorious, roaring rebellion. It is a rolling monument to excess, designed specifically for those who prefer to be driven but still want a powertrain that commands absolute respect when they choose to take the wheel themselves. Approaching the S680 SUV is an intimidating experience. The sheer physical presence of this vehicle demands your undivided attention. Starting at the front fascia, you are immediately greeted by the signature Maybach pinstripe grille. These towering vertical chrome slats are inspired by the tailored lines of a bespoke suit, and they dominate the nose with a regal, upright stance. Below the grille, the lower bumper features an intricate chrome mesh that catches the ambient light like jewelry, serving as a functional air intake for the massive engine breathing behind it. Moving down the side profile, the silhouette is monolithic yet remarkably aerodynamic. The lines are sculpted and deliberate, smoothing out the aggressive bulk of a traditional SUV into something much more fluid and elegant. The massive 23-inch forged wheels anchor the corners, giving it a planted, undeniable gravitas. Notice the two-tone paintwork, separated by a hand-painted coach line that perfectly accentuates the sheer length of the wheelbase. At the rear, the design tapers elegantly. The LED taillights feature an intricate three-dimensional helix design that looks like modern sculpture, while the integrated chrome exhaust tips are cleanly housed within the lower valance. It is rugged enough to conquer a mountain pass, yet elegant enough to look perfectly at home idling outside the casino in Monte Carlo. Transitioning from the outside in, opening the doors of the Maybach S680 SUV feels like stepping into a sanctuary. The sheer weight of the doors closing completely seals you off from the chaos of the outside world, plunging the cabin into absolute, library-like silence. The material quality inside this space is staggering. Everywhere your hands rest, they meet open-pore wood trim layered with fine aluminum pinstripes, or the softest, naturally tanned Napa leather available. The front cabin is a masterclass in digital integration, dominated by the sweeping glass of the MBUX display. But Maybach smartly retained physical touchpoints for critical functions, striking a balance between high-tech screens and tactile, knurled metal switches that click with satisfying precision. However, the true magic of this vehicle is reserved for the rear passengers. The executive seating package transforms the second row into a first-class lounge. The seats can recline deeply while deploying heated calf rests that massage your legs. You have massive legroom, individual entertainment screens, and a refrigerated compartment tucked between the seats holding bespoke silver champagne flutes. The Burmester high-end four-dimensional surround sound system does not just play music, it features exciters built directly into the seats, allowing you to physically feel the resonance of a cello playing through your spine. It is an overwhelmingly sensory experience that prioritizes your comfort above all earthly concerns. But a vehicle of this stature needs a heart capable of moving mountains, and that is exactly what lurks under the expansive hood. The S680 badge guarantees the presence of a handcrafted twin-turbocharged V12 engine. We are talking about over 600 horsepower and immense pavement-rippling torque. This is not the violent, snapping power you find in a track car. Instead, it is a relentless, oceanic wave of force. When you plant your foot on the accelerator, the nose subtly lifts, and this behemoth quietly surges from 0 to 60 in just over 4 seconds. The power delivery is so incredibly smooth that you barely feel the 9-speed transmission shifting gears. On the highway, merging and overtaking are executed with absolute, silent confidence. But the defining characteristic of the S680 SUV's driving dynamic is the active suspension system. It uses cameras to scan the road ahead and proactively adjusts the air suspension at each individual wheel before you even hit a bump. It effectively erases potholes and road imperfections. In the bends, it leans into the corners like a motorcycle, entirely neutralizing the centrifugal forces that typically make passengers carsick in large SUVs. Even with all that low-end torque available for light off-roading, the steering remains delightfully light, entirely isolating the driver from the mechanical harshness of the road. Now, we have to ground ourselves in reality and address the financial elephant in the room. Unsurprisingly, this level of uncompromising luxury requires a devastating financial commitment. With a starting price expected to hover well above the $250,000 mark before you even look at the bespoke customization options, the S680 SUV is squarely targeting the absolute upper echelon of the market. As a value proposition, the Maybach offers vastly superior modern technology and a more advanced chassis system than its immediate British rival. However, it is not without its flaws, and this is where we have to be brutally honest. For all its brilliance, the Maybach's Achilles heel is its underlying architecture. When paying true elite money, luxury buyers crave a bespoke, dedicated platform, not a heavily dressed-up version of a car seen in standard school drop-off lines. Additionally, the sheer density of the digital interface can be overwhelmingly complex for an owner who simply wants to turn on the seat massager without navigating through multiple submenus. So, does the Mercedes-Maybach S680 SUV live up to the paradigm-shifting claim I made at the start? The definitive answer is yes. It manages to deliver the impossible by blending the silent, imposing grace of an ultra-luxury land yacht with the cutting-edge technological arsenal of a modern flagship. It demands respect on the road and isolates you from the world in unparalleled comfort. While it may share some distant DNA with lesser vehicles, its execution is so breathtakingly flawless that it earns its place at the absolute summit of the luxury SUV food chain. Now, I want to turn it over to you. If you had an unlimited budget, would you choose the modern technological marvel of the Maybach S680 SUV? Or would you stick with the old-world prestige of the competition? Let me know your choice and why down in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want to see more cinematic, unfiltered reviews of the world's most incredible vehicles, hit that subscribe button and join the Jack Auto Expert community. I will see you in the next one.